In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Tinder dating app. So if you want to get the latest version of Tinder, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and update it to the latest version. By updating your app, you'll also be able to fix any security issues related to your app. You'll also be able to fix any errors that are associated with your Tinder app. Alright, let's get into it. So to do so, you'll need to go ahead and access the app through Google Play Store or App Store if you are on iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for this app through my Google Play Store. And for that, I'll just exit the app and then go ahead and click on Play Store. And then through Play Store, I'll just search for the app. And as you can see, we have an update that is available on this Tinder dating app. To update it or to get the latest version, go ahead and tap on this update. And this will go ahead and download the latest version of Tinder app and then install it on your smartphone. And once this has been installed, the update button will turn to open. Now from here, you can tap on open, or you can go ahead and open your app, and this will be the latest version of Tinder app with the latest features. So that's how you can update your Tinder app to the latest version. If this video is helpful to you, kindly like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.